Many beginners should not know what they stand to gain when they build a successful YouTube channel. And that's the reason I'm creating this video today on why you should not quit your YouTube channel, why you should not leave. All right? Building a YouTube channel is like building a television channel, a normal television channel, whereby the channel can choose to be showing one type of content or different types of contents. But if you know this, at the beginning of a television channel, red television channel, they don't make much money at the beginning because they are the building stage, especially privately owned ones. But when they have stayed there for years and they are known, you see, they'll start charging more for commercials. That's how YouTube channel is. So you can choose to do a single thing, or you can choose to do few things in one. Just like here, I do tech, I do self-publishing, and I do YouTube education. So some television channels are like that. So if you're thinking of quitting your channel, giving up on your YouTube channel, you're making a big mistake. If you understand how traditional television channels are, it's not different from what you are building here. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you the benefits that are attached in building a YouTube channel and why you should not leave. Okay, one reason why you should not give up is because when you build a successful YouTube channel, you build strong online brands. And one thing about online brands is that you are not limited to that your locality. People from anywhere from the world can see you and they can interact with you. When they know that this is where you are good at, they will recommend people to go to your channel when they are seeking for a particular type of thing. Maybe they want to solve problem on computer. Because this channel is about computers, they can be recommended. So if you can be patient and build that online brand, you will enjoy it in time to come. All right. And that's what will lead us to the point number two, accumulative wealth. When you succeed on your YouTube channel, you build accumulated wealth. Yes. Because now you're not limited to your location whereby maybe few persons come and buy a service or a product from you. This is something that is universal. Somebody from UK watches, somebody from US watches, somebody from Nigeria watches, Africa, Asia. They come over and watch your content. And as they're watching your content, as is being played on your video, you're making money even when you're sleeping. Not only that, if you show products, just like on my channel, I show products. So if you show products and it catches the attention of large numbers of people, they can end up going to that your store and buy something. And when they buy something from you, it is being shipped to them and you make more money. Many beginners don't think about this. They think it's just all about YouTube ads. It's not, it's beyond that. Another thing is that you can use it to promote your own personal products. Yes, as a content creator, you can recommend people to go to your website to buy something. When they buy something from your website, maybe a product, a physical product, a service that you created by yourself, you make money. Imagine whereby 50 people order something from you in a single day, and maybe the profit from each of that is about $10. How much is it going to be? So think in that direction if you are thinking of about giving up on your YouTube channel. Know that what you're building is not just for today. You're building for future. Okay? When you build a successful YouTube channel, you become an influencer. People know you. If you come out on the street and they will see you, they say, yeah, I know this guy. He's a content creator. Before you know, you start building confidence. People will start having good confidence in you because you're an influencer, you influence other people. So they can easily do business with you and pay a good amount of money. Today, I know Kevin Stratvat. Anywhere you mention that name, Kevin Stratvat, is known globally because he's someone in software that will teach you some things about software. He's good. You can't say you do business with Kevin and your money will just go like that. He's a global brand, a global brand. Everybody knows him. So that's another benefit. At the beginning, you may be small. In fact, you'll be small at the beginning because nobody knows you. But by the time you keep on putting that effort and you build that brand, come on, companies have confidence in you, different brands come for you, and you make more money. All right? So think about this if you're thinking about giving up. Okay? Another thing about being steadfast on YouTube and not quit is that when you succeed at the end, you can build wealth off YouTube. That is offline. But that wealth comes from YouTube to offline. Let me explain. As somebody who is good in tech, in software, I've taught you a lot on how to use utility software. Dear friends, you talk about Microsoft 365 apps, you talk about workspace, you talk about some software, some applications. I've done a lot of tutorials on them. There may be an institution that needs somebody that will offer lecture or just a short teaching to the people, to the students, to a team, and you're invited physically. I get in it. You are paid, you are going to be paid a lot for that. You go offline or offer your service to them, and you make well, you create your wealth, and that is how to expand more. But at the beginning of the stage, it's difficult, it's slow. If you're not patient, you can't do that. And that's why I talk about this word patience always. YouTube is like a traditional television channel. So if you want to make something out of it, you need to be patient, please. All right, you will not regret it. So many people, I know a lot of people that have succeeded in life from here. So from online, you go offline to offer some services and make extra cool cash for yourself. Now, this video is of two types, of two sections actually. Then the next section is do this instead. Instead of quitting, instead of giving up on your YouTube channel, these are things you need to do. Let's talk about what you need to do to grow. Okay, number one is making your research. There are a lot of YouTube channels here teaching you how to succeed on YouTube, though some give you genuine information, some are just there because they want to get clicks. All right, vidIQ will offer you great ideas on how to grow. So search for vidIQ, subscribe to their channel, and then learn from them. Okay, if you can buy books from Amazon and read about success on YouTube. All right, there are a lot of nice books there. So go to Amazon, order one or two books, read to gain idea on how to grow. A genuine writer will tell you that it's not easy at the beginning. Imagine Kelvin started over 15 years ago, Kevin Stratvat, and today he's known all over the world, even in the United States. So when you mention that name, Kevin Stratvat, they know him. So buy some books, they will tell you how this really works to help you grow. Okay? Make full research using YouTube as well, and then you get some education. But I'm not talking about some channels that will tell you get 1,000 subscribers in 1 month. That's not what I'm talking about. Though it happens, but it's rare. It's just luck. Yes. So please go for genuine advices, go for make your research, and you will learn more. Then another one is you may need to change your content type. Yes, if you feel like I've been here for more than 1 year, 2 years, I'm not seeing any growth, then you may need to change your content type. Okay, how do you title your video? That's the question. Sometimes you may need to use Google. That's another. In fact, Google drives over 60% of my YouTube channel traffic. Yes, you may need to use Google and start searching for a particular keyword, start typing it in. Okay, you need to put your browser in incognito mode, then start typing a particular keyword you want to create. Maybe how to use iPhone. If it's suggestive to you, you know that this is a good keyword. Then you capitalize on that, create content on that. Before you know, traffic will start coming in. You start growing, you start getting views. Okay? Then look at, I said you should look at other channels. Then another point is this. Niche down. Yes, you need to niche down. All right. So instead of creating a title like how to use iPhone, you can niche down to how to use iPhone in 2024 because there are a lot of content on how to use iPhone, a lot of videos on how to use iPhone. But when you niche it down to how to use iPhone in 2024, people will see like, okay, this is a new content. So it will have updated information. All right. So niche down is less on that niching down and then get your views and grow your YouTube channel. Then description is very important. I've seen a lot of beginners that don't have something in the description. Please add description. It helps search engine to pick your content and show to people and they click and then watch your thumbnail. All these are basic. All right. So when you take a look at other channels, you see what they're doing, let them be guide to you successful channels. You build on that. Before you know, you grow. So instead of quitting, you will end up staying. And in future, you have accumulated wealth and be happy with yourself. All right. If you like content like this, consider subscribing to this channel because here we cover a lot, including YouTube advice, self publishing, as well as technology. All right, how to use some software. So subscribe because they will benefit you. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. Please, okay? And leave a comment in the comment section. If there is a question or questions you want to ask me, drop that in the comment section and I will create time and answer you so that we can grow together because I want you to grow and make money and be happy. Sell products, both the one that YouTube place on their channel and your own products or service. I use this channel to sell my book, so I know what I'm talking about. So I make money from here to another website. Okay? Thank you. I'll see you some other time.